Your front door is more than just the main entrance to your home. It's the first impression guests receive and the first line of defense against intruders. For Clermont homeowners, investing in a new entry door is a smart way to enhance both security and style while adding long-term value to your property. Enhanced home security. One of the biggest advantages of upgrading your entry door is the improvement in security. Older doors often suffer from weakened frames, worn locks, or outdated materials that make them more vulnerable. Modern entry doors, however, are built with advanced security features designed to protect your family and belongings. Stronger materials, steel, fiberglass, and solid wood doors provide durability and resistance to forced entry. Upgraded locks. Today's doors can be fitted with multi-point locking systems and smart locks that add another layer of security. Impact resistance. Especially important in Clermont's storm-prone climate, impact-resistant doors provide extra protection against both weather damage and break-ins. When you replace your entry door, you're not just making a cosmetic change, you're reinforcing your home's safety. Boosting curb appeal. Beyond security, your entry door plays a huge role in your home's aesthetic appeal. It's often the first detail neighbors and visitors notice. A new, stylish door can instantly refresh the look of your entire home exterior. Variety of designs. From sleek modern looks to classic, decorative options, today's entry doors come in styles to fit every home. Customization. Many manufacturers offer customizable finishes, panel designs, and window inserts to complement your home's architecture. Color options. Bold colors like red or navy make a statement, while neutral tones like black or white create timeless elegance. By upgrading your entry door, you enhance both your home's character and resale value. Improved energy efficiency. Security and style aren't the only benefits. Modern entry doors also contribute to better energy efficiency. Older doors often have gaps or poor insulation, allowing air to escape and raising energy bills. New entry doors come with insulated cores that minimize heat transfer, weather stripping to seal gaps against drafts, energy-efficient glass panels that let in light without compromising insulation. This ensures your Clermont home stays comfortable year-round while lowering utility costs. Low maintenance and long-term value. Today's entry doors are designed to last. Fiberglass and steel doors resist warping, cracking, and fading, making them ideal for Florida's humid climate. With minimal upkeep, like occasional cleaning and lubrication for locks, you can enjoy lasting performance for decades. A new entry door is also a valuable investment. Homes with modern, stylish, and secure entry doors often enjoy a higher resale value, appealing to buyers who see both the beauty and safety benefits. Final thoughts. Upgrading your entry door is one of the most effective ways to improve both security and style in your Clermont residence. From stronger materials and advanced locks to enhanced aesthetics and energy efficiency, a new door is a smart investment that pays off in peace of mind, comfort, and curb appeal. If you're ready to take your home to the next level, consider consulting a professional door installation service in Clermont to help you choose the perfect blend of protection and design.